Is there any way to get back over?
We can't. We're down in the brush.
Yeah.
See if we need to deploy.
I will.
Pretty muddy. We're just sliding.
Yeah. Is it gonna nail us?
Yeah, that's all things coming at us. The western edge is kind of south of us now.
All right, let's deploy here then. Let's deploy. Let's do it good. Drop everything. Drop them. Drop the front. Put the panels down. Start doing it.
I'm doing it.
Now you telling me you wanna touch your mic first, even though we have to fuck your rhymes, I need a rap first. It's all good with these the same traces, providing fucking bases, so we're coming all faces. So now you telling me you wanna touch your mic first, even though we have to fuck your rhymes, I need a rap first. Cause I'm on mission like a 007. I will never let a sucker start an Armageddon. Now you telling me you wanna touch your mic first, even though we have to fucking rhyme, I need a rap first. It's all good with these the same traces, providing fucking bases, so we're coming all faces. So now you telling me you wanna touch your mic first, even though we have to fucking rhyme, I need a rap first. Cause I'm on mission like a 007. I will never let a sucker start an Armageddon.
Doors come open.
Tires are still popped.
Yeah. Woo! That was insane. Let's kill the air! Kill the air! Everybody okay?
old tree branch I got.
Holy whoa!
Whoa, look at this. Right into,
Where did it hold it up?
oh my God.
Where did that come from?
I don't know. It came in through the hatch. Oh my God. It's off to our east now. Man, that was totally rough today. God damn it. Holy shit.
Oh. Everything's muddy.